Enter system. Enter admin passcode. Admin set. Add admin. Input passcodes. Repeat 2 times. Input fingerprint. Repeat 5 times. Input cards. Complete lock set. Exit the system. Enter system. Enter admin passcode. Admin set. Network set. Intelligent connect. Open the Tuya Smart app. Click on Add device. Select camera. Lock. Select lock Wi-Fi. Successfully connected. Ring the doorbell to remotely request unlocking. App confirms unlocking. Unlock successful. Complete setup.